I get to do, young, and when am I going to get to do my first murder? But they find ways to support their children or their loved ones in terms of, for the provision of legal fees so that we can provide them with a legal service. So, look, we still attract, the socioeconomic can vary because if people are charged with serious crimes, they will do whatever it takes to retain, and get what they believe is their best legal team fighting for them, especially if it's a case of innocence that we're talking about. I mean, people get very curious and concerned about innocent people being convicted, obviously. Most people, for the large part, do kind of put their hands up for their crimes. Sometimes it's a case of negotiating matters, but there are obviously matters that do go to trial where people are innocent accused or they've been charged wrongly with a crime that's probably too serious and it should not be as alleged. So, I mean, in my career, which, has spanned over 20 years now, I've acted for some incredible people. I love my interactions with all of my clients. Like, I've met just some amazing people who've really turned it around in terms of, understood what has drawn that negative attention and what, was required to kind of get out of it. But yeah, some rock bottom moments for clients over the years, and supporting them can be taxing as well. Like, sometimes you're in a real David and Goliath battle and you feel like you're kind of, obviously, we're not Goliath because the state has all of its resources. But some of the cases I have, done work on have been highly publicised, and that kind of adds its own kind of lens and level of difficulty. But yeah, it's been a pretty full-on and rewarding career.
From a variety of crimes you have worked on, could you talk about what are the trends you're seeing? What kind of crimes you have evolved? What kind of crimes are more rocking up? Or what's the mindset behind those crimes?
It's funny that you say that. So when I started practicing in criminal law, I started doing a lot of work with Mr. Percy QC. And I remember saying to him one day, when am I going to get to do, young, and when am I going to get to do my first murder? And he's like, as sure as the moon will rise and the sun will, set today and before the year is out, Laura, you will be, you'll have a murder on your caseload.